If your Battlefield 6 game is crashing, the problem could be coming from the game corrupted or missing files. So to fix that, we need to come up here to the EA launcher and we need to launch it. To repair the game corrupted files, we will click on here this manage button, and here you can see this repair button. So select that, and what it's doing now is it's scanning all the game files and checking if there is any missing or corrupted files or mismatched file. So it will re-download that file. So that will fix your game crashes if your game is not launching. So you can see right now it's repairing all those files and scanning all the game files which are downloaded on the computer. So if there is any broken or missing file, it will re-download that file again. So we just need to wait here till all this will be finished. Now it's repairing the main component. After that it will repair the like multiplayer and then the single player components one by one. So once everything will be finished, it will give us message that repair is completed, and after that you can launch the game and everything will work fine. So this is how you can fix the game corrupted files, or if there is any missing files in your Battlefield 6 game. So you can see the repair has been completed. So it scanned all the files, and if there were any corrupted files, it automatically replaced that with new downloaded files. So everything should work fine now. Now you can launch the game. So this is how you can fix the game corrupted files.